are located here at Magna in Slovakia, and we have an important event here. In 2023, we installed this cleaning system, which has a serial number of 1663, and today there is a festive occasion, and we have installed a cleaning machine with a serial number of 1000. So what was the reason you bought a second cleaning system?
Well, first of all, we were very happy with the first one. Excellent service on your part from distributor, as we were extremely satisfied. The other big advantage, or why we bought kind of the same cleaning system, is that it is very reliable. After whether some capacity side, after the quality side, we have no problem with it, so we are extremely satisfied, and because of that we bought second cleaning machine. Next reason, which was to increase the capacity because our orders are growing. So we had to increase the cleaning capacity. So those were the main reasons.
So let's put its first stencil into DCT Cleaning Solution number 1000 and start its life's journey.
Yes, let's do it. I would like to thank you for our good cooperation, for your great support, and we are looking forward to further business with you.
Thanks.
Thank you also.